I'm back. The flu is in my rearview mirror. Still a little nasally, but I'm getting there. So today, perfect one for me to come back with. Enchilada chicken chili in the slow cooker. It's easy, it's comforting, and it just tastes good. So that's a winner right there. Today I'm gonna show you how, with just not too many ingredients, you can throw together this meal in the morning before you head out to work. If you have a long day ahead of you or whatever, you come home, it's ready for you in your crock pot. It's super, super good. And like I said, easy. Even use this frozen chicken breast. You don't even have to thaw chicken. It can just be frozen and you dump it in there. So I'm not sure where I got this one from. I wrote it on my recipe card. So if it's you, please speak up. Jenny Kind, maybe? I'm not sure. But it's a keeper for sure. It's a family favorite. And it really does taste like an enchilada in soup form. So I think you're gonna like it. Let's get started. My enchilada chicken chili has been going all day long and it is so good. Well, it smells so good and it is gonna be so good. I'm telling you, come zoom in real quick. I wanna show you. So the chicken, it really almost falls apart. Now I have taken my chicken, I just took some tongs, pulled it out and then shredded that chicken lightly and then just threw it back in. You could also just take some forks together in here and take it and just shred the chicken in there. I did chicken tenders, so they were really easy to shred. It just gets so tender. I did this on low for about 8 hours. So I think slow cookers are pretty forgiving. If you needed to do it a little faster, I'd recommend high for maybe 5 hours. That should do the trick. So anyways, I've got my bowl right here. I'm gonna doctor it up like I would an enchilada. A little sour cream, little cheese in there, and then I'd sliced some avocado already, but I'm gonna put some avocado on there. And you guys, it smells like enchiladas have been baking in here, but it's a soup, which is just what I need to kick that last edge of the flu to the curb. I'm telling you, it's delicious. Even though it's kind of springtime, enchiladas are always a good idea, right? Especially if you add a margarita with them. Oh my word. So much flavor. Now, as you saw, there was a little bit of that onion, a little bit of celery, so you still have a little body with this, although they're really, really tender. And a little tip for you, because I had been sick, I sent Scott to the, thanks Scott, I sent Scott to the store to get a few of the ingredients I didn't have. And he said, well, what enchilada sauce do I get? And one of my things, I feel like you can always add salt, but you can't take it away. And so I said, well, look on the back of the enchilada cans and see which one has the lowest sodium content. That's what I go for. Now I did do a red enchilada sauce. You could try green and see what that was like, but I think red really works with this one. So anyways, it's just easy, as you could see from the ingredients that go in here. Tastes good, hearty, freezes well, feeds a crew. Crush up some chips on there, you're ready to go. Give this one a try. I am sure that you will enjoy. Delight of the bite coming at you. Thank you so much for hanging with me through the flu. I'm back and I'll keep doing some more good things for you. And if you have ideas of things you're wanting me to see, please comment, chime in, let me know what you're interested in, and I will see what I can come up with for you. Thanks again for your support, for watching. Be sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Delight of the Bite, if you have not. Share, let people know that I'm out there making all sorts of fun videos, and have a great night. Take care, thanks.